Hi, I'm Oluwakemi. I'm excited to have you here again. This is JAMB Physics 2017, which goes thus. In a series circuit of resistance equals 400 ohms and inductance equals 7 ohms, impedance is, so with the impedance formula, Z equals the square root of the square of the reactance plus the square of the inductance. Okay, so as given in the question, we already have we input the values as given in the question. So we have the square root of 400 square plus 7 square. Alright, so this is going to give us the square root. 400 square is 16,000 plus 49, and this will be equal to the square root. If we use the calculator, we're going to arrive at 400.061, and if we're to round this to one decimal place, we have 400.1 ohms. Okay, good. So this is our final answer. Answer option D is the right answer. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.